Hello, Finn.
Hello, everybody.
Tell us what we're going to do.
We're gonna do ice.
We're going to do ice. You don't have to hold it right up to your mouth line. Okay, we're going to do ice. Tell us more. What are we actually doing?
We're gonna do an experiment
Yes. And what's the purpose of our experiment?
to see which ice melts the fastest.
Ooh.
So we're gonna put salt on one, sugar on one,
Yep.
and then another one.
Okay, and what's your prediction?
I think salt's gonna melt the fastest.
Okay, should we get set up?
Yeah.
Okay, I do have a question for you.
Yeah.
What's important about making sure that we do this and that it's a fair test? How can we make sure?
We need to make sure the size is similar.
Yeah, so that the ice cubes are a similar size. And, okay, and we need to make sure we've got a timer. So we'll set a timer.
Oh, set timer.
Okay. All right, shall we get ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Bye. For now.
Okay, so talk us through our setup, Finn. What are these pots for?
So that one's gonna have salt.
Okay.
That one's gonna have sugar.
Yep.
That one's gonna have nothing.
Okay.
That one's gonna have water.
Okay. And we have our water, our sugar, and our salt here. So you've got your timer ready and your notepad in case of any... We need like a science white coat and...
No, we don't.
Okay, so we need one ice cube of equal size as far as possible in each dish.
No, that's not equal.
Uh-oh.
That's pretty equal.
Okay.
Okay, they're as equal as we can.
Okay, great. All right, so which one do you want to do first? Well, one's already going because one is already iced. So start the timer. So you are going to put 1 spoon of... Are we putting like... Oh, wow. We're going all the way. Okay. Okay. Yep. Oh. We're going salt. And to be specific, we are using pink Himalayan salt. There we go. Oh!
That was the best one.
And now we have the water.
That's enough.
That's enough. That's straight out of the taps. That's tap temperature water. It's blinking cold here today, so.
60 seconds has gone.
Ooh. So what's your prediction?
That one, then that one, then that one,
Yeah.
and then that one.
Okay. And how long do you think... Like that one's already melting, look.
Yeah.
So how long do you think it's going to take for the second one to melt? Estimate.
3 minutes and 17 seconds.
Okay, let's see.
Update. I am wrong.
How does it feel to be wrong?
Not as bad as you might think.
Tell us what you're wrong about.
The second one hasn't melted.
Okay, and we're just after 3 minutes 40 seconds.
Someone's doing well.
Yeah. I wonder if it makes a difference what kind of salt you use, because we're using this pink Himalayan salt.
We could use our sea salt.
This is the pink Himalayan sea salt, but we don't have like
have
table
white sea
salt.
salt.
I don't think we do.
Don't we?
Not right now.
Update. Nearly 7 minutes have passed.
And
That
what's
one's nearly melted. The sugar one's not doing too good. Actually, the sugar one's melting. So is the salt one.
which one do you think's going quicker?
Actually, the sugar one. Maybe.
Interesting. What are you noticing?
That one's nearly done. And that one is doing better than the salt one. But it might just look like that because that is thicker than the sugar. Nearly 9 minutes.
A new player has entered the arena. And we are all very...
That's my sister.
That's his sister.
Wait, the people that watch this,
Yeah.
what if they're the same people that watched the old ones? Will they know that that's the same one that did the 2p machine thing?
Well, let's ask them, people. Do you know that this is the same one who did the 2p machines?
Oh no, it's going into the ice cube.
It is kind of creeping its way in. They're kind of mixing, aren't they? What's happening with the salt?
The salt's kind of doing the same thing, but a lot slower.
Yes, it is slower, which is interesting.
I thought that would be like really quick.
I did too.
11 minutes and 10 seconds.
That's the first time you can see all four clearly.
Something's happening to the glass on this side and that side.
What's happening to the glass?
It's like, I don't know. It's happening. Something's happening.
Here's the outside of the glass. You can see the levels of liquid in the ice. That one is nearly gone. Let's see.
Oh, that one's nearly gone.
It's nearly gone.
That one's literally like that big.
This is the control piece.
We're probably going to go to sleep and then that's going to be gone. That's how long that's going to take.
There's the sugar. Good close look at it.
It's literally 12:30.
After 17 minutes.
And we started at 11 o'clock.
And the salt. Okay, we have a winner! Which one? Water!
I want to drink that.
What's happening over here then? Give us an update. Oh, uh-oh.
There we go.
He's interfering with the experiment.
I'm interfering.
Which one's going the fastest out of these three?
That one probably.
You think the salt?
That one's got the most water. That one's got slightly more water.
I think the one with the sugar's going faster.
I think that one's going faster.
But this one seems to be going fastest of all with nothing on it, and I wasn't expecting that.
No, that one was going slow. That one was smaller originally.
Oh, well, that's not a fair experiment. I had to start again.
It was like tiny. It was like a millimetre smaller though.
Okay, how many minutes?
Nearly 27. I've ordered them in winning.
He's trying to
Order.
confuse us, trying to throw us off
No,
because
that one's one.
that was
one's
water.
winning. Then that one. Then
this
that
one was sugar.
But
and he
I
swapped
think
the
that
order.
one's winning
No.
because it's got more water.
Interesting.
It's got more liquid.
And then the control one, which is surviving the longest, which is what we would expect. So,
The salt one is definitely winning and it's almost melted.
wow. That all of a sudden
30 minutes have passed.
has actually made quite a big difference. The salt and the sugar. They're the ones we're interested in, really, aren't they?
We're not interested in that one.
That's just the control piece, yeah.
Update. This one is in the clear, the salt. And nearly 40 minutes have passed.
That is quite a drastic difference now, isn't it?
Yep.
Show the timer. Okay, we have a problem.
We have one of our 10 cats with us.
Oh, shh, don't tell people that. They'll think we're crazy.
We are crazy.
This is Arlo. Hello, Arlo. Arlo loves Finn.
And Suki and Biscuit.
Yeah. Oh, shall we go and see Pickles on the
That's your
couch?
cat. And
That
then
is my cat.
Biscuit up there.
There's Pickles. Hello, Mr. Pickles. Oh, it's a funny upside down head. Oh, he's a beautiful boy. And then we have Biscuit up there.
I think that's Coco.
Oh, yeah. One down there.
Very soft.
Very
Not
soft.
silky.
Yes.
Biscuit.
And that's Biscuit. He blends in with the couch.
No, he doesn't.
This is Suki. We'll have to do a cat tour video at some point.
Yeah.
We'll do a separate video on that. No.
She's so soft.
Update.
43 minutes.
So,
The sugar one's doing well. I think they're tied.
that one is definitely
Winning.
out there. Yeah, it's almost gone. Okay, we have a big update. Big exciting update.
I'm not sure if there's any ice left or if it's just salt.
The salt has officially claimed second place.
No, it's not. I think there's still a bit left.
Looks like the sugar one has been preserved. Whereas, oh, sabotage. Okay, while you wait for this to get to an hour,
It's not an hour yet.
which ice cube melted the fastest?
The water.
The water, but I'm discarding the water because... Okay, we discarded the water because it wasn't really part of the experiment. It was just interesting. Which one of these three melted the fastest?
The salt.
The salt. What do you think the salt did to the ice?
So the salt, since that was thicker than the sugar, speaking of the sugar, that's doing well. That was heavy, so it didn't go through it and
Right.
bring it down,
Okay.
and then it just kind of melted.
Okay, do you want to hear some science?
Yeah.
Right, so salt lowers the freezing point of water, which is why it makes ice melt faster. What are you doing to your tongue? Did you know that about salt? It lowers the freezing point of water.
No, I did not,
Well, there you go.
to be honest.
Sugar affects melting, but not as significantly as salt. Oh,
Oh,
this just
almost.
in.
Almost gone.
He's getting ready.
Oh, it's in 2 pieces now.
Okay. Are you hitting the button or are you not hitting the button?
Waiting.
Oh, we've got another one.
Wait, no, I did 4.
Okay.
No,
That's good.
fine.
Right, so based on what you've seen from our experiment, can you see why they use salt on the roads?
No. Why don't they just use water?
Okay, so that was actually a very good point, and actually part of the reason why I didn't want to include the water, because our water, and we're inside where it's warmer. If we put water on top of ice,
Freeze.
right,
Oh, I get it now.
so if we use the salt outside on top of the icy roads, what would happen?
It would melt the fastest.
Yeah.
That's why I don't put sugar on it. No, I missed it.
You
I
missed
the
it.
button.
Woo! So we can stop it now. Oh, he's drinking it again. Oh my goodness, he's now drinking the sugar ice.
Can't drink the experiment.
Yeah. Pretty sure this is not how you're supposed to do the... Definitely not drinking the salt one.
That one was so good.
Okay, let's summarize. What did you learn?
I learned that you're not supposed to put water on the roads because it would freeze, and that salt is faster than sugar.
Okay.
But if sugar was faster than salt, I still think they'll put salt on it because they don't want people to eat the road.
Okay. So you said at the beginning you thought salt would melt the ice the fastest. Were you right?
No, I said water, and then salt, and then sugar, and then ice.
Were you right?
Yes,
Well done.
I was spot on.
Woohoo! Okay. Experiment complete.
Yes.
So, is there anything else we could have done that would have affected how fast or slow the ice cubes would have?
We could have used warm water.
We could have used warm water.
And we could have added water to these.
We could have added water. Yep.
We could have used smaller ice cubes.
Smaller ice cubes. What about more salt?
Oh yeah. We can use 2 spoons of thing.
Interesting. Have you enjoyed your experiment?
I enjoyed the bit where I drank that.
Literally, we have spent an hour watching ice melt. So,
Very boring.
thanks for being here. Let's go.
The stuff we do for our viewers. Bye.